Hello everyone, so today we will be installing Anaconda on our computer. What Anaconda is, it's Python plus all the packages we'll need for the semester, so be sure to install Anaconda, not just Python, but Anaconda following this tutorial. So you'll want to go to anaconda.com/product/individual, and when you go to that page, you'll see it automatically detects what OS we're running. So here I'm running Windows 64-bit, your computer might be a Mac, and it should show Mac here instead. Also note that we're going to be using Python 3.9. If you have a previous version of Python, please do follow these steps in installing Anaconda because all of our development this semester will be with Python 3.9. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and press download. You'll see here in the bottom left it will begin downloading, and we can close out of this prompt. We'll be back when it's finished downloading. Okay, and as you can see, it's finished downloading, so we'll go ahead and click that to open it. And that will bring us through the installation process. And again, this is going to install not just Python, but Jupyter Notebook as well, which you'll be able to learn more about during your lab. So go ahead and press Next at the first screen and agree to the terms of service. And when you're installing, you can install just for me, and go ahead and press Next. Take note of what directory this is going into, and press Next. And then finally on this screen, make sure that you click Add Anaconda3 to my path environment variable. You might not notice why this is important now, but when we start typing commands in the terminal later in the semester, we'll need to make sure that this has been checked. So with that, go ahead and press Install. This will take several minutes, so I'll come back in a little bit. Okay, and as you can now see, the Anaconda installation process is complete. You can go ahead and press Next, and Next. And you can choose to look at the tutorial and the Getting Started guide, but I'll go ahead and uncheck those and press Finish. So now we should be able to go to our Start menu, or the equivalent inside of your Mac OS, and search for something called Anaconda Navigator. And we can go ahead and click that, and we'll only be using this for this demonstration video. In the future labs, we're going to be using the terminal, which we'll learn more about. But the Anaconda Navigator is a visual way to check out everything that's inside of Anaconda. So this will take a little bit to load as well. And you can see here now with Anaconda Navigator open that we have successfully installed all these tools, and what we'll want to look at is this thing called Jupyter Notebook. You can go ahead and press launch on that. What Jupyter Notebook is, it's going to be our code editor for the semester. It's built into your browser, so when you click that, you'll notice a new Chrome tab or whatever browser you have pop up with Jupyter Notebook inside of it. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow us to write a code in different cells, and you'll have time to learn more about this during your first lab of this semester. So here we can see Jupyter Notebook is loading up, and we'll learn how to work with this in the lab. So with that, you have installed Anaconda 3, Python, and everything you'll need for the lab in this semester.